Good morning, students. Welcome to Baragi Madam Science class. So, today we will do chapter 4 Sorting Materials into Groups exercise. So, let's start. Question 1. Name 5 objects which can be made from wood. Answer. 5 objects which can be made from wood are table, chair, desk, door, etc. Question number 2. Select those objects from the following which shine: glass ball, plastic toy, steel spoon, cotton shirt. Answer. Glass bowl, steel spoon, shines. Question number 3. Match the objects given below with the materials from which they could be made. Remember, an object could be made from more than one material, and a given material could be used for making many objects. Answer. Match them. Book, paper, tumbler, glass, plastic, chair, wood, plastic, toy, wood, paper, plastic, shoe that is made up of leather. 4. State whether the statements given below are true or false. First, stone is transparent while glass is opaque. False. Second, a notebook has luster while an eraser does not. False. Chalk dissolves in water. False. A piece of wood floats on water. True. Fifth, sugar does not dissolve in water. False. Sixth, oil mixes with water. False. Sand settles down in water. True. Eighth, vinegar dissolves in water. True. Question number 5. Given below are names of some objects and materials: water, basketball, orange, sugar, globe, apple, and earthen pitcher. Group them as: A. Round shape and other shape. B. Edible and non-edibles. Answer. Round shape: basketball, orange, globe, apple, earthen pitcher. Other shapes: water and sugar. B. Edibles: water, orange, sugar, apple. Non-edibles: basketball, globe, earthen pitcher. Question number 6. List all items known to you that float on water. Check and see if they will float on an oil or kerosene. Answer. Sponge piece, plastic bottle, paper piece, thermocol piece, wood, plastic ball, cork are the known to you that float on water. No, they will not float on an oil or kerosene. Question 7. Find the odd one out from the following. A. Chair, bed, table, baby, cupboard. Answer. Baby, as it is living being while others are non-living. Question B. Rose, jasmine, boat, marigold, lotus. Answer. Boat, as it is used for transportation purpose while others are flowers. C. Aluminium, iron, copper, silver, sand. Answer. Sand, as it is non-metal while others are metal. Question D. Sugar, salt, sand, copper sulfate. Answer. Sand, as it is insoluble in water while others are soluble in water. If this video helped you to write the answers or exercise of chapter 4, then please like and subscribe it. Thank you.